couple ounces on the floor. Leveling up, man, watch me more. I'm the realest on the planet. Changing up the game, all these niggas understand it. Take my girl to Spain, tell her suck my dick in Spanish. Y'all don't know about pain, now these kids can't comprehend it. I put out a song, I guarantee they wanna mention. Coming for the spot, nigga, look at my credentials. Can't erase your past, didn't read your shit. For the wall, support the family, shit is simple. Can't pretend to be friends, all these kids are like my children. Smoke so much, we make my famous more than out the building. I got so much weed inside my house, this shit's ridiculous. I won't stop the grind until I made a couple million. I've been needing rappers all year, this shit's a picnic. My girl looks so good with no clothes on, this shit's offensive.
Hey guys, I know it's been a really long time since I've uploaded anything. It's probably been around 6 to 7 months since I've uploaded anything. But I was taking my time, and you know, in Corona lockdown, you can't do pretty much anything. Anyways, I'm with my boy AG here. That's his initials. I can't tell his full name because tax raids are happening a lot in our country.
What the hell? Tell them where we are going now.
No, you only do, bro. You only do.
Tell that, it's your channel.
My channel, no, I'll talk. I'm the celebrity. So, right now, we are going to ITC Windsor for this guy to flex his car.
Everyone is fixing their car. It's a Porsche's ride.
It's a Porsche Drive, 2020 Bangalore Porsche Drive. Yeah, let's see how it goes. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be kind of awkward at the start. Where's the mic, bro? I think it's gonna be pretty awkward in the start, cause yeah, there'll be a lot of uncles and aunties, and we have to take. I'll try taking my best cinematic shots for other cars, but if it's gonna be awkward, I'm sorry, guys. I'll continue, and we have almost reached here. We're near the signal. I think that's where we have to go. I'm not sure if you can see. By the way, this is my first time making a vlog, so please bear with me. I'll try correcting all my mistakes, and I'll see you in the launch. Okay guys, we have come here.
How do I go, bro?
Get this one.
How many people?
This is what customs duty, you didn't pay that one now.
This is the e-pass.
Okay.
Fuck, the cars will be inside.
Stop cursing, bro. Your parents are gonna watch this. Bro, I hope my mic is here.
Beep. We'll do that.
Beep.
Beep beep.
Okay guys, we have reached. So hey guys, we just reached here. It's ITC Windsor Manor, and they're giving us really grand welcome because they have literally booked the whole place just for us. This is how it is. That's Adman giving consent that he has a DL.
If I die driving,
Shut up, da. So we'll be leaving here in another half an hour.
bro,
And
drive
before that,
license
we'll have
number and all I don't have. It's in the car. I think I have a photo of it.
yeah. So don't do that.
Please cut them.
Okay. So we'll have breakfast and scoot. Very upgraded.
Ready?
It's tuned. So let's look at the lineup we have here today. It's pretty impressive considering how like the current situation of Corona and stuff. I didn't expect these many cars to show up today, honestly, today. But then we have around, I would say around 30 plus Porsches here, and around 10 to 15 sports car, 2-door coupes. And yeah, I guess that's a 718 Boxster next to a Panamera Turbo. And that's a Cayman S. That's another black 718 Boxster, and yeah, two more 718 Boxsters. So we are leaving right now to Prestige Golf Share. I'll try recording the drive to it, although I'm not sure if we'll be able to catch up to these cars. But let's go. Okay guys, so the whole event was for TechCart India or something. TechCart India? Yeah.
Check out India, the official parts for.
Yeah,
Porsche.
the official. It's my vlog. Let me, please.
I'll put copyright.
So this was.
I'll put copyright.
Don't say bad words, bro.
Shut the beep.
Shut the beep beep. So this whole event was for Porsche. Bro, my father will see this. Actually, I'll remove that part. Okay, so guys, this event was for the launch of Tech India by Porsche.
Tech art.
Tech Art by Porsche. It basically is all the performance parts and all the other imported body parts, carbon fiber parts for Porsche. So you can directly get through Porsche rather than going to some other dealers. And yeah, so that was all the event about for the launch. And now we are heading towards
Prestige Golf Share.
Prestige Golf Share. Bro, first time okay vlogging, so chill. And so this is the lineup we have. Pretty good lineup, I would say. A few sports cars. Guys, by the way, my Zen was louder than all the cars here.
Is it?
Hey, there's some bullshit.
No, bro. This
Bro, see the RPMs of us. These cars RPMs are around
7,000, 6,000.
Ours go around 12,000 RPM.
Say this is 5,000.
And it's
this is 6,000.
It's straight line, one pipe,
These
These
have
are
a lot
two,
of
yeah.
filters and all in between.
2 pipes.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
So there's one model doing photo shoot.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's showtime!
Exhaust, what happened, bro?
Bangalore City Police.
Couple ounces on the floor. Leveling up, man, watch me more. I'm the realest on the planet.